Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an image black and white in Canva. So as you can see, we've got our project open and we've got our image here in the middle that we want to make black and white. So what we're going to do is click on the image. We are going to come up to this top bar here and we are going to press edit. If you then come down to the left and you can see you've got filters. So if you press see all, and then if you scroll all the way down, you can then see mono, and then there are different filters that you can choose. There's going to be obviously different ones that are going to really make the image sort of pop and look good in the black and white theme. And then you just want to go through and find the one that looks good for you. But it can make the image look really sort of moody and really dramatic as well, which is really cool. So the other way is to then close out of that, select the image again. We're going to come up to edit in this top bar here. We're going to press adjust at the top. And then if you scroll down to saturation, and if you go and slide all the way down to -100, you can see that that has taken all the saturation and color out of the image and you are left with this black and white photo. And that's it, guys. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could leave us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.